Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sauney and this is Sauney Kicks. I'm doing a giveaway for when we hit 500 subscribers. It's gonna be a $50 gift card to any sneaker store of your choosing. And if we hit 500 subs before January, then I'm gonna pick 2 winners. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Those who don't know, the Air Jordan 11 breads will be releasing December 14th, Saturday at 10 a.m. I don't have them at the moment, but I did want to get a head start on how to lace your Air Jordan 11s. When you unbox your 11s, they're already going to be laced up. So all you got to do is untie the knot, and you're going to make sure the laces are loose. Get them as loose as you want them to be. Open them up a bit, and then just pop the tongue up. You want to make sure your laces are tucked in deep. That's literally the easiest thing to do. Now, the easily converting from this would be to just tie them normally. With this, you're just gonna loosen them up. And for this specific one, me personally, I like to call it the Batman. And so, yeah, you're gonna unlace them just from this top one real quick, just so it'll be easier to do. So you're gonna take this lace, cross it over, and you're just gonna go straight up. You wanna make sure this one is loose so it'll just go right through. You're just gonna go through both lace holes, and just gonna keep it straight up. Don't want it to be too high up, because that way they're just gonna keep falling when you wear them. And then same thing for the second side, cross it over. Loosen the shoes up, make them a little neat. And yeah, straighten them out, and yeah, if you know what I mean, they give off kind of like that little Batman vibe, like the helmet with the ears. And if you didn't want them like this per se, you could just fold them downwards and pull them through a little bit more if you want, and just lay them back. And regardless, it's still a clean look. Now on to the final lacing style, which is the knot. Make sure your laces are nice and even. This one is a bit off, so just tighten this up a little bit. All right, so now when they're nice and even, you want to make sure that they're long enough, and then you're gonna take 2 fingers like so, bring it to like the middle, and then you're gonna twist all the way around. And then that way you're gonna get is gonna form a little circle off to the side. And then with the 2 lace tips, you're gonna put them through that little circle. And then afterwards, you're gonna take both of them and take the knot and just pull. And that's it. And then, well, of course, then afterwards, you're just gonna have to loosen it up. Unless if you like it like that, you can keep it the way it is. Or like how it is on my pair, you can just loosen them up. That way they're loose and knotted up, sort of tied. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, subscribe. Once we hit 500 subs, we're going to be doing a $50 gift card giveaway. Make sure you got that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And yeah, hope you guys all have a happy Thanksgiving and see you next time.